I came to see Dr. Ferguson at the Natural Health Clinic, and I had ulcerative colitis. I was diagnosed in January of 2018, and since then I was looking for a natural solution, so I looked for Dr. Ferguson's 10-week diet, and I was able to refine my diet down to a level where I am now.
What about the what was you like before when you first started? What was ulcerative colitis? What was your symptoms?
Yeah, so I had severe bloody diarrhea.
And when you say bloody diarrhea, what was it like? What was it? It was just what was coming out.
Yeah, the stools was just complete blood.
It was just so you was going to the toilet, and then it was just blood coming out, nothing else.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so you'd look in the toilet and it would just be blood.
Yes.
Okay, so you wasn't forming any stool whatsoever.
No.
And then when you used to take the drugs from the hospital, did it form your stool? Was you getting any better?
No.
Was you getting worse?
Yeah, I was probably getting worse. My energy levels were extremely low. I was fatigued constantly, so my quality of life was very poor. But definitely coming to the Natural Health Clinic.
And how did your body feel? How was your body looking and feeling? And
yeah, so I had a lot of excess fat. I wasn't as trim. I wasn't as full as well. So I was definitely in a worse condition than I am now. I'm in definitely the best shape of my life.
So after following the 10-week program and going through the process, how do you feel now? What's been the changes that's happened to you?
Yeah, so it's become a lifestyle now, really, with the 10-week diet.
What's happened now? What we're talking about is the stool. How's the stool changed?
Of course, yeah. So my stool is formed now. It's looking very healthy.
So it's a normal stool from going from just blood coming out of you. And then with ulcerative colitis, what do the hospitals say that ulcerative colitis can turn into a lot of the time, most of the time?
Yeah, so you are subject to, you're more prone to having cancer.
So you could get bowel cancer and colon cancer. Yeah. Right, that's what it usually develops into. And then, do you get any pain? Because you used to get pains before, is that right?
No, I don't get any pains anymore. I feel great, my stomach is under control. So the condition is under control as well from the diet, so it's really helpful.
And then when you first came, you was like 2 stones overweight.
Yes.
And then what happened with the 2 stones?
So I lost the 2 stones
of fat. You lost the fat,
and then I was able to rebuild it back up with the supplements that Dr. Ferguson advises.
And then how much muscle have you gained in that time?
Yeah, so I've gained another stone in muscle.
Yeah, so you lost 2 stones of fat, and then you've changed that behaviour into the growth of a whole stone of muscle coming on. Yeah. And what comments have you had from because you're saying you did like a radio show and a Facebook. What was the comments like?
So I went on the radio channel in terms of talking about where I've come from in terms of the condition that I was at, and everyone was seeing the health differences immediately in my body, in my face, my facial features, even the fact that I used to have alopecia. My eyebrows were starting to grow back, so there was a lot of change.
Yeah, even your from your alopecia, your hair starting to grow back on your face and everything because it had been disappeared because of your alopecia. So it's a complete body transformation then.
Exactly.
But would you encourage other people to do the full body MOT that you did?
Of course. I would say the best investment you can make is in your health. So if you're willing to stay disciplined and make a change and you want a healthy lifestyle out of it, I would say definitely come to the Natural Health Clinic.
Thank you very much.